Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful things, art ideas. I will show you. So viewers, I hope you are enjoy more videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is friends. Viewers, string art is a simple craft, but the final result can look amazing with a piece of wood, some nails, colorful thread or string, and little creative. You can create beautiful wall decoration. The best thing about string art is that you can create many different shape and design. You can make heart, flower, animal, letter, tree, star, geometric pattern, and even beautiful landscape. So let's explore some wonderful string art ideas. Simple heart string art design. Art is one of the easy design to start with. Take a wooden board and draw a heart shape. Place small nails around the outline and walk the string around the nails. You can use one color for a simple look or silver color to create a colorful design. Red and white can create a classic romantic look. Pink and purple can give a soft and beautiful feeling. You can also use different shape of some color to create a unique effect. And viewers, so next idea is viewers, flowers. String art. Flower can make wonderful wall decoration. You can create a simple flower with colorful string and add green string for the leaves and stem. A group of small flower can look beautiful on a wooden pot. You can also make one large flower in the center and around it with smaller flowers. And their weavers, I hope you are enjoying more videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel.